This is a crisis. We have a fire alarm. I'm getting ready. I'm about to go outside. And Bronco Hall. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Hey, Mr. Building on fire.
What you say?
What are you doing? Making YouTube?
I ain't doing nothing.
Making YouTube?
This is a crisis at Bronco Hall.
So crazy.
See all the people mad?
I put on a cake.
This is a shame. What is America coming to? This is North Carolina. We're supposed to be better than this. I'm not from here. Hey, what's up?
And when it do, y'all gonna blow up too.
Everybody's mad. I'm making a YouTube video. What's up? She called me Bulldog. I'm about to interview one of our victims. How do you feel about the fire alarm?
I don't know. I'm so shocked. Famous Amos.
We had people out here, you know, they just walk up, their breath probably stink, they didn't come in here, stuff like that.
Videotaping?
Yes, I am videotaping. I am videotaping. I was going to the library anyway.
I would hate if I was taking a nap right now. Well, you can go ahead and keep it.
Alright, I'm about to conclude this. I'm about to conclude this video. Fire alarm. You know how I do.
Coming out the house now?
How you feel about the fire alarm?
How you feel about you?
Such a big building, such a big waste. Hope it don't blow up.
Don't play dumb. Don't play dumb, you know what?
Frustration. The police has arrived late. We have Gary approaching. She black. What's up, man? People are leaving the building extremely late. They could have caught on fire. Look at the fat security guy walking. Let me get closer. We need more in-personal. We need more interpersonal conversation. Are you okay? No, y'all wait over there. Look. That don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing.
You Mr. Nobody right now.
Oh.
You Mr. Nobody.
She said he's Mr. Nobody. He said, I'm Mr. Bronco Hall. I can walk back over here even though the building is on fire. What is... People are extremely mad right now. It's a shame. Look how many residents we have. That's about 1 million people. This was a Bronco Hall exclusive. I'm about to sign off. My name is unknown, but I'm signing off. I love you. And I want to give a shout out to Kima. I got my eye on you, girl.